In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a condenser on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located behind the front bumper. Let's get started. Before beginning this job, bring your car down to the local shop and have them evacuate the AC system. Using a T20 bit, we're going to remove the 2 screws on the bottom for the front fender liner. There should be one more right here on a bracket, but ours is missing. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the 3 T20 screws in the inner fender liner. There's one more all the way in the top. This is for the front bumper. Pull the front fender liner back. Remove the screw. Do the same thing on the other side. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop all of the plastic clips out of the top trim. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 10mm bolts. Using a Phillips head bit, remove all of the screws on the front. Two more on the side. Lift the trim piece up. It's held onto the front bumper with a few clips. We're going to use a trim tool and get in between the two and pop it up. Do the same thing on the other side. There's one last clip in the front. We'll pull straight back and pop it out. There's that front clip. Remove the trim piece. Start at one corner of the bumper. Grab right on the corner. Pop straight out. Work your way around the front. Pulling the bumper forward. Go to the other corner, lifting it up and out. Pull the bumper straight forward. Pull the lock back for the ambient air temperature sensor. Just pull it into the unlock position right there. Press down on that black tab and remove the connector. Remove the bumper. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the top brace. Remove the 4 plastic clips for the air deflector. Remove the 5 plastic clips for the bottom air deflector. Pull the plastic tabs up out of the bracket. Remove the 4 8mm bolts for this plastic guard. Remove the plastic guard. Using a 13mm wrench, we're going to remove the nut for the condenser lines. Pull the condenser lines off of the condenser. Remove the 3 8mm bolts for the condenser. Pinch the clamp at the top left of the condenser. Pull it forward and remove it from the vehicle. Remove the plastic bracket from on top. Remove the one on bottom. Install the plastic bracket on top of the new condenser. Install the condenser into the vehicle, pushing it into that top left clip. Install the bolt in the top right. Install the bolt on the bottom left. Install the plastic bottom bracket. Get the bolt started. Snug it down. Using a 5.5mm socket, we're going to remove the stud out of the old condenser. Install the stud into the new condenser. Get it started by hand. Torque the stud to 4 foot-pounds. We're going to remove the O-rings for the hose assembly. We recommend replacing these. We're going to take ours off and take a look at them, make sure they're still good. Pop them straight off. Take a look at them, make sure there's no rips, tears, anything that would stop it from sealing properly. Install the O-rings. Push them straight on. Remove the caps for the condenser. Install the line. Push the line straight on. Be sure it's fully seated. Install the nut. Snug it down. Torque the nut to 14 foot-pounds. Install the plastic bracket. Install the 4 screws. Install the lower air shield. Drop the clips into that front bracket. Install the clips, 2 in the middle. And 3 on the bottom. Install the upper air deflector and install the clips. Two in the top going to the bumper support. Install the upper plate. Get the bolts started. Snug them down. Install the connector for the ambient air temp sensor. Push until you hear a click, lock it down, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the bumper onto the vehicle. Line it up in the front, push straight on. Go to the other corner, set it into place. Install the top trim piece. Install the middle first. Make sure that tab drops in. Push down along the top. Install the Phillips head screws. Two more on the side. Install the bolts. Install the plastic clips. Install the corner screw for the bumper. Tuck the front fender liner into the front bumper. Install the 3 screws on the side of the fender liner. Install the bottom 2 screws for the front fender liner. Repeat the same process for the corner bolt and the fender liner bolts on the other side. Now that we're done with the job, you can take your car down to the local shop and have them recharge the AC system, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.